All right, let's talk about where the following graph is increasing and decreasing. Well, so for starters, we answer this question from left to right. So as we go from left to right, this first branch of the graph is increasing because it's going uphill from left to right. Then the graph picks up down here, and it is still increasing as we go from left to right until it gets to here. At that point, it starts going downhill. So from here to here, it is decreasing. And then it picks up from here, and we're still going downhill, so this is also decreasing. So the green portions of the graph are increasing, and the pink portions are decreasing. Now, when we talk about the intervals of increasing and decreasing, though, we only look at the x-axis. So this first portion of the graph is increasing, but on the x-axis, it goes from negative infinity to the asymptote. All right, so that first increasing portion, okay, so let's see, increasing. All right, so the first increasing portion goes from negative infinity to negative 5. All right, now, the second increasing portion, on the x-axis, it goes from here to here. So that's negative 5 to 0, all right? It stops right here. So that's negative 5. So don't say negative infinity. You have to stay on the x-axis. So on the x-axis, it's negative 5 to 0. And so we'll say union negative 5 to 0. So that's it for the increasing. So this particular question was only asking about increasing. So this would be the answer. So I'm just looking for it. And it seems to be D. All right, negative infinity to negative 5, union negative 5 to 0. That matches what we have. So that was the answer. But let's keep going and talk about the decreasing intervals as well. All right, because you never know. This is good practice. So this first decreasing portion, again, we have to stick to the x-axis. So it goes from here to here on the x-axis. So that was 0 to 5. Now this other decreasing portion on the x-axis goes from here to here. So that's 5 to infinity. Yeah. All right, they didn't ask us about decreasing, but there you go.